They look like ordinary Ray-Bans. Clean, stylish, classic. The kind of sunglasses people have worn for decades without giving a second thought. But what if I told you that behind those lenses hides something extraordinary? Something that doesn't just protect your eyes from sunlight, but quietly observes, learns, and evolves. Because these glasses don't just see the world, they understand it. Inside this simple frame lives one of the most advanced artificial intelligences ever built into a wearable device. It doesn't just watch what's in front of you. It listens to your voice, studies your behavior, and learns how you think. And here's the craziest part. Most people wearing them have absolutely no idea what's really happening behind those tinted lenses. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart glasses are being sold as the next evolution in wearable technology. Sleek, powerful, and surprisingly normal looking. But beneath the surface, they represent something far more profound than a gadget. They are the beginning of an entirely new kind of intelligence, one that grows through you. Every moment you wear them, they quietly observe how you move through the world. They see what you see, hear what you hear, and record tiny fragments of your daily life that most people never think twice about. But these fragments aren't just memories. They're data, the kind that trains machines to think more like humans. At first glance, it's easy to see why these glasses are popular. They're made in partnership between Meta and Ray-Ban's parent company, Luxottica, combining timeless design with futuristic tech. The camera captures crisp 12-megapixel photos and smooth 1080p videos. Hidden speakers deliver clear audio without blocking the world around you. A 5-microphone array records your surroundings in cinematic detail, making your everyday life sound like a movie. And with just a simple "Hey Meta," you can command your AI assistant to take photos, record videos, or even go live on Instagram or Facebook, all without ever touching your phone. It feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it's already here. But here's what most people miss. These glasses aren't built just to record your life. They rebuilt to learn from it. Every time you speak to Meta's AI, every photo you take, every question you ask, you're teaching the system something new. You're not just using technology, you're helping it grow. When you say, "Hey Meta, what's this?" and point to an object, the glasses don't simply identify it. They analyze how you ask, what you're looking at, and even the context around you. The AI begins to understand not only what you're seeing, but how you see. This is where things get fascinating and a little unsettling. Meta's Look and Ask feature uses something called multimodal AI, which allows the system to process both images and speech at the same time. It's not just recognizing shapes or colors. It's understanding meaning. When you ask, "What kind of flower is that?" the AI processes your tone, your phrasing, your curiosity, and the visual input from the camera. Every interaction becomes a lesson. You're helping Meta System learn how humans describe the world, how we connect, categorize, and understand our surroundings. And over time, these tiny moments build one of the most powerful real-world AI learning datasets ever created. Unlike most AI systems that learn from static photos or labeled data on the internet, this one learns from living data, the kind that only comes from human perspective. It learns from what you choose to look at, how long you linger, what you ask, and even what you ignore. This gives Meta an enormous advantage in the field of what researchers call embodied AI, artificial intelligence that perceives and responds like a human being. That's not some distant concept anymore. It's happening through these glasses right now in real time, on the faces of millions of users. And here's where things start to get even deeper. Because while everyone thinks Meta's future revolves around VR headsets and the metaverse, the truth is far more strategic. These glasses are not just an accessory. They're Meta's Trojan horse. Think about it. Everyone expected Meta to build virtual worlds that pull us out of reality. But what if their real plan was to bring that virtual intelligence into our daily lives? These glasses are the bridge, the link between today's smartphones and tomorrow's fully immersive augmented reality. While they may seem like just another tech toy, they're actually preparing humanity for what's next. They're teaching people how to live with computers that can see, hear, and respond naturally to the world. Every command, every photo, every live stream, it's all part of Meta's grand experiment. These glasses are quietly collecting the feedback needed to solve the hardest problems of augmented reality. Battery efficiency, heat management, visual latency, voice recognition, and environmental understanding. And when the next generation of lightweight AR glasses arrives, the world will already know how to use them because these Ray-Bans trained us for it. It's brilliant and a little chilling. Because whether we realize it or not, we're part of Meta's long-term plan to integrate AI into everyday human behavior. We're not just customers, we're data generators, teaching the system how people naturally interact with intelligent machines. And the more we use it, the more it understands us. But there's another layer that makes this technology even more personal. The 5 microphone system, ISNT, just about clear sound. It's how the AI learns you. It listens to your voice, your tone, rhythm, and phrasing, and begins to understand how you speak. Over time, it adapts. It learns when you're frustrated, when you're curious, when you're joking. It starts recognizing your patterns until it can respond like a real human would. You're not learning to talk to the machine. The machine is learning to talk like you. It's the turning point most people don't see. It's not about building smarter machines. It's about building more human ones. Imagine an assistant that remembers your habits, your humor, your quirks. One that feels less like a device and more like a digital reflection of your personality. That's what these glasses are becoming. Not a tool you control, but a companion that evolves with you. And as the AI gets smarter, something unexpected happens. You begin to change too. You start relying on it not just for information, but for perception. These glasses aren't just teaching machines how to see, they're reteaching you how to see more. You look at a building and instantly know its history. You read a sign in another language and understand it effortlessly. You ask a question, and the answer appears in seconds, whispered directly into your ear, as if the world itself is speaking back. It's not just convenient, it's transformative. Because this isn't technology that distracts you from reality. It enhances it. It deepens your connection to the world by giving you instant access to understanding. It's like your own mind, but upgraded. And that's where the real revolution lies. For decades, technology has demanded our attention. Phones, computers, tablets, they pulled us into screens and away from life. But for the first time, we're entering an era where technology gives that attention back. These glasses make the digital world fade into the background, letting the real one shine brighter. You're no longer switching between online and offline. You're living in both at once, seamlessly, naturally, effortlessly. That's the true genius behind the Ray-Ban Meta project. It's not just about building another device. It's about reshaping how humans and machines coexist. For the first time, AI isn't something you use, it's something that lives with you. It becomes invisible, integrated, part of your daily rhythm. We've gone from typing to talking, from searching to simply asking, from staring at screens to having knowledge appear in front of our eyes. It's a massive leap in human-computer interaction, and yet it's happening so quietly that most people don't even notice. But make no mistake, this isn't the end of tech as we know it. It's the evolution of what it means to be connected.